What if you could upload your YouTube analytic data and get this complete analysis with just one prompt? Overall channel performance, short versus long videos, top videos, subscriber driving content, low CTR problems, retention opportunities, and a 30-day content strategy. No complicated formulas, no data analyst needed. Your data, your analysis, be your own boss. This video is for YouTubers, beginners, small channels, and anyone who wants to grow using real data instead of guessing. Today, I will show you how to use ChatGPT, Copilot, or any other AI model to analyze your YouTube analytic data in just a few clicks. If you want more practical tutorials on AI tools, YouTube growth, Excel, Copilot, ChatGPT, and productivity, subscribe to the channel. Now let's start directly with the process. In my previous video title, I let Excel Copilot run my channel analytics, and here what I found. I have demonstrated how to download your YouTube analytic data from the YouTube studio and make the data ready for analysis. So I will not repeat the download and preparation process here again. If you want to learn that part, watch my previous video first. In this video, we'll use the prepared YouTube analytic file and analyze it using ChatGPT, Copilot, or any other model you want to use. But for this demonstration, I'll be using ChatGPT for our analysis. Now, open ChatGPT. Also, you can use any other AI models like Copilot, Core, Cloud, Gemini that supports the file upload and do the data analysis. For this demonstration, I'll using ChatGPT. The idea is simple. We upload the YouTube analytic file, paste one strong prompt, and ask the model to analyze the full channel. Now, I will upload my prepared YouTube analytic file. Keep this in mind. This file can be either in CSV, which is comma separated value, or an Excel file. So the file that I'm using today is a demo file which I have used it in my last video. This file includes useful columns such as video titles, views, watch time, subscribers, gain, impressions, CTR, comment, shares, and retentions, and the other information. Once the file is uploaded, ChatGPT or any other model, Copilot or Cloud or Gemini, will read the data and start analyzing it. Now, this is the most important part. Instead of asking separate question one by one, I will use one combined prompt. And don't worry, I'll paste this prompt in the description. But again, if you want to go one by one asking question to the chat GPT or the Copilot, you are free to go. You can ask different questions based on what you'd like to see. But for this demo, I'll be pasting a combined prompt. Since it's a very long prompt, I'll not go through this just to keep the video short and simple. But I will just tell you that this prompt tells ChatGPT or any other model that you are using to do the YouTube data analysis, look at the growth strategy, and the content planning expert. With just one prompt, the model will analyze the overall channel performance, short versus long video, top performing videos, videos that gained in more subscriber, content strategy, high impression but low click through rate ratio, high retention but low view videos, engagement performance, charts, tables, and also it will give a final 30 days YouTube content strategy. So we are not just asking for numbers, we are asking for meanings, patterns, problems, opportunities, and practical actions. Now, I will run the prompt. The model will read the uploaded file and generate the analysis. Once the analysis is ready, we can discuss the result and see what action we should take to improve the channel. Now, the real analysis is ready. This is where we move from prompt to insight. The model analyzed 192 videos, 35,526 views, and 242 subscriber gain. The goal is not only to read numbers, but to understand what action we should take next. Before trusting any analysis, first check the data. The file included useful columns like video titles, views, watch time, subscriber, impression, click-through ratio, comments, shares, and video type. But likes, full retention curve, and some audience columns were missing. So the report is strong, but we should understand its limit. The channel shows positive sign of 35,522 six views, 2,745 hours of watch time, and 242 subscriber gain. But the weighted CTR, which is click-through ratio, is only 2.90, and the average views per video are 185. This tells us the biggest improvement area is packaging. Stronger titles, stronger thumbnails, and clearer channel focus. Shorts are working for discovery. They generated slightly more views and higher average views per video. But long videos are the real growth engine. Long videos produced 199 subscribers compared with only 43 for shorts, and almost all the watch time. So the strategy is simple. Use short to attract and long tutorials to convert. Next, the report found the top videos by views. The best viewed videos is the Excel tutorial for absolute beginner. Other top videos includes AI curiosity, UAE content, and emotional shorts. This shows what can attract attention, but attention alone is not enough. We still need to compare views with conversion. This is most important slide for the growth. The strongest subscriber videos are more long practical tutorial. The top example is this Excel trick saves hours of every week with 11 subscriber from only 224 views. This means viewers subscribe when the content promises a clear work benefit. The report found that only one video appears in both the top viewed list and the top subscriber driving list. This is very important insight. It means the video that attracts viewers are not always the video that builds subscribers. So the channel needs two layers, short and a curiosity for discovery, and a long practical tutorial for conversion. The content strategy analysis gives a clearer direction. AI tools and productivity produce the highest tool view and the subscribers. Excel and Copilot also perform very strongly and had the best practical audience value. AI for oil and gas has a lower volume but good click-through ratio. So it becomes a unique positional area because it connects AI with professional engineering experience. This is the biggest immediate opportunity. Several videos received more than 5,000 impressions, but the click-through ratio below the channel average of 4.20. This means YouTube showed this video, but viewers did not click enough. The topic may have potential, the packaging need improvement. Now, how to make the result obvious? Here in this slide, the AI gives a practical fixes. Instead of broad titles, use titles that promises a specific result. For example, 5 free AI tool that makes life so much easier can become 5 free AI tools beginners should use today. Thumbnail 1 text should be short and the result focus like saves hours, start here, pick Excel, or automate work. Now, we look at a hidden opportunity. Some videos have good state to watch but low views. This means the idea may be good but it not reach enough people. These videos should be remade with better hooks, clearer titles, stronger first to second. The engagement analysis confirm the same message. The strongest subscriber converting partner pattern is the long practical tutorial, Excel or Copilot AI productivity, and a clear time saving benefit. Video that promises practical improvement in the work are more likely to convert viewer into subscribers. So there comes the final recommendation. Then it shows the final recommendation is very clear. Do not chase every trending topic. The best the best growth path in is Excel, Copilot, AI productivity, practical tutorial, and selected AI for engineering or oil and gas. Use short for discovery, but make long practical tutorial the main subscriber engine. The biggest immediate opportunity is CTR. So start by improving title and thumbnails. So as you've seen, this is how you can use ChatGPT or any other model to analyze your YouTube data with just one combined prompt. If you have missed my previous video, I recommend you to watch it again with the title I Let Excel Copilot Run My Channel Analytics and hear what I have found, where I showed how to download the data and prepare the data for this analysis. And if you want me to make a part 2 showing how to create a YouTube analytic dashboard using AI, comment dashboard in the comment below. If this video helped you, subscribe for more practical AI, YouTube growth, Excel, Copilot, ChatGPT, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.